Hi Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to set up a specific email forward to a specific email address. So there was a video that we did previously to show you how to forward your entire mailbox from a Gmail account or Gmail address to a Hotmail or Outlook address. This one is in regards to a specific email address. Now the scenario here is I get an email from the childcare provider that my kids go to, and then only I get it. My wife doesn't get it. So I could get in touch with the childcare provider and get them to also send it to my wife, but we can create a forward, and I thought excellent opportunity for a video. So here we go. What I'm going to do first thing is with Gmail, you've got to go into your settings. Click on the cog, click on see all settings. Then because we're forwarding it to a specific email address, we've got to click on forwarding and pop. You can set this up later, but set it up here. It's just easier this way. So click on add forwarding email address, and then that's not it. I've got to put the right one in there. So the forwarding address is my wife's. Put it in there, click on next. I'm going to proceed. Press OK. Now my wife has got the email, so let's see if I can go in there and have a quick look. I've got confirmation code. Click on the link. And we're going to confirm it. And that's it. So once that's done, now I can close that. We put in the confirmation code and verify. Okay, now you can see that forwarding has been disabled, and this has been there, and this rule applies. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to filters and blocked addresses, and here is where we put in the email address of where it's coming from. We click on create new filter. It is from this email address. Nothing else applies because it can be any subject and all that. So we hit create filter, and then we want it to be forwarded to the new email address. So that's that. So because I've got 40 other emails, I could click that and my wife could get a copy of it as well, but no, she's already got a copy because I've manually forwarded those. So that's all we need to do. And then the next one, we click on create filter. Okay, I actually didn't click on it. So we've clicked it here, but we've got to tick the box, forward it to email address, and then click create filter. Okay, so you can see that the filter has been set up there, that it matches from this email address, it goes to the wife's email address. So any new emails, that'll happen straight away. And that's it, guys. That's how we set up a specific email address forward. If you have any questions, by all means send us an email, info@ampleblaze.com. If you have any ideas or questions for other video tutorials that we could do, Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And yeah, and we do podcasts as well. So just subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.